around.
Come on in, guys. Check this out. All right, and look what this button does right here. You ready? Jump in, guys.
Step up. Wait, don't reverse.
All right, is everyone ready?
Yes.
Check this out. Now, let me show you something else. This actually has a propeller. Look at this. Ready? Boom! Now you can go 13 kilometers an hour in the ocean. You ready to see it? To go in the ocean, what you need to do is turn on diff lock, lock all of these, each axle, and then this one in neutral, this button, then this button. That actually sends the power from the tires to the propeller in the back.